Into the house. Hello. Dead man, it's good to see you. I hope you are having a good weekend. I forgot what day it was because I streamed yesterday when I probably shouldn't have, but it's fine. It's the weekend. I was streaming the Splatoon 3 release yesterday, which was pretty cool. I unlocked the weapon that I wanted to get, so that was nice. I kind of debated not streaming today because I already streamed yesterday, but I kind of want to at least try and stick to the schedule, so here we are. When we lose the schedule, we lose all what's the word? Anarchy breaks loose. Dude Chomp, hello, it's good to see you again. Welcome back. Bruh. That emote is terrifying. It looks like a dog, but it doesn't. When I zoom in on it, it looks like a piece of cake. I have no idea what that is. Is that you? That's... what? Hello. It's a hedgehog cake. Is the teeth... is the teeth part of it, or was that added? It looks terrifying. Wait. I feel like the teeth aren't part of that. I don't know. They look too teethy. I was up till 2 AM playing Splatoon and regret my choices. Well, I mean, it has just come out, so gotta get ahead of the curve, you know? I was very tempted to start off with Splatoon today, but I only just started the game stuff last week, so I'm like, I can't just ditch it already. That was probably a mistake to start it, but oh well. It's a hedgehog cake. They're very popular for some reason. They're supposed to look uncanny. I guess I can I guess I can kind of see it. We have caterpillar cakes, which I don't know if those are a thing where you are, but caterpillar cakes kind of look way more innocent than this does. This kind of looks terrifying. We have these, which look at them. And like every different like big supermarket does their own version of it. I think I have had Colin. I don't remember which one Colin was. Wait. Oh, Colin was M&S. Interesting. They give them all different names and everything. It's kind of adorable, actually. Andrew, welcome back. Hello. Early for once. Nice. Hope your weekend's going well. Reminding myself of the games I have started to make and stopping. Yeah, I am completely the same. Andrew can back me up on this. Which is kind of... oh wait, you couldn't even see the screen. Bruh. I know how to stream. Oh well. You didn't miss anything. Wait, I have to bring it up now. Oh. Caterpillar cakes. This is what I was showing. I remember how to... there you go. Definitely a lot more innocent looking than the hedgehog cake. I don't think I... oh wait, actually... oh my god. It was... it looks like this has been fried. Deep fried. The Scottish chippy treatment. Because everyone in Scotland likes deep frying stuff. Apparently a deep fried Mars bar is... I've never had one, but apparently it's like a staple up there, so... I have my blob bobber. Nice. Did you unlock that with the... Oh no, wait. You didn't have any saves to carry over, so you didn't have any of the gold tickets, right? Or did you? I don't think you did. What level does that unlock at? Oh, you did use the gold license. Interesting. Wait, but Seb said that you had to format your Switch? How did you get the gold licenses? So innocent. Okay, this is the emote that's being posted. And this is what sparked this conversation. This is a hedgehog cake, apparently. And I can't... The teeth. It's the teeth that look... The teeth look too realistic compared to the rest of the hedgehog. You're level 9 and it belongs to level 19. Interesting. Okay. My internet is in full potato mode. Yeah, I've had that recently. It's been really annoying because I've kept getting disconnected while I was at work. Mega sad. So unfortunate. I really want them to announce the next Twitch London. Yeah. Normally they say, I think around end of September-ish. Or maybe beginning of October. Because it should normally be around middle of November. Let's open Unity. Just wants a kiss. No. I don't know about that. Besen Steed Ben Besen. I don't know how to say your name. Let me know how to say your name. But also hello. How are you doing? Hope you're well. You carry over your data from Splatoon. Yeah, that happened to me. Oh, also I just noticed really light. Let me... The camera's like... I have this calibrated to work when I'm streaming in the evening. So streaming in the morning or in the afternoon is just monkers. There we go. He moved my data over through memory transfer and confirmed it in game before. Oh, okay, gotcha. Nice. Well, that's good. You have your thing then. Your licenses. That's really cool. I kind of wonder how else you're supposed to get licenses. Because yeah, I couldn't see a way to unlock the other ones. What did you program so far? Good question. So right now, because I'm very new to all this, I'm really not making like the actual game. I'm just working on trying to understand how to do certain small interactions. So the thing that we worked on last week was getting the FPS controller working. So we have the working like model for like walking around and like the keyboard interaction and stuff. To be fair, I kind of just yanked the script off of Google, but it's whatever. But what we did work on was by ourselves was getting the crosshair to appear over certain objects. So as you can see, I don't get the crosshair when I'm looking at the floor, but if I hover over something I can interact with and then click on it, I get a description. And then that happened, I get a different description when I click on something else. And yeah, well, I was kind of just working out how to do the UI and stuff like that. Well, I need to make the dialogue go away, and then I also need to kind of make it look a bit nicer as well. I don't know how... I kind of want to have the text track to the object. I think that would be pretty cool, but we'll see. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh wait, there we go. Seth, hello. How are you doing? Oh, did that honk not go off? Or did I hear it and just didn't hear it? Let me double check.
Moo.
Oh, maybe I did hear it, and I just wasn't paying attention because I was talking. That is terrifying. The cake, yes, very terrifying. Just say chair. Okay. Hello, chair. I'll see if I can remember that. Middle of October, when everyone knows London is bright and warm. Yeah. Well, I think London is now in disarray because of recent events, so I think everything has gone upside down. Who knows? Angelic. There's nothing good in the shop right now. I downloaded the app actually earlier, and I can't afford like most of it, so that's kind of sad, but we'll grind out some stuff later. He's made Frobbables, you know those, right? Everyone knows Frobbables, yeah. Look, it's on the Frobbable layer. It's only 1B, by the way, as I found out. So yeah, I'm gonna name it that just to spite Andrew, actually. I was gonna change it and be, you know, more like, oh, this is an interactive layer? No, it's staying as this word. So as long as you import any Splatoon, oh, I see, yeah. I have 3. I was gonna use my thing to get the Aerospray, but then I saw it was only level 5, so I just leveled up to 5, and now I have that, which is good. Just got off work, heading home to Apex. Yay, nice. I ended up playing a couple with Jake and Kieran, and we won our last game right before I started streaming. So I was like, I should probably end it there before I curse myself. But I might be on later. Since I don't intend to go too late today, it's I'm streaming now. We'll see. Well, I'll probably be on. I might be on tomorrow as well. We'll get some games in. Totes, hello. How are you doing? Bit upside down, innit? Hope you're having a good weekend. All right. Okay, and you know what? Should we enable the game dev font, or should do? No, I feel like we should. I don't know how readable it will be on stream though. Monocraft. Eddie sent me this font, and he was like, "This would be great for game dev streams." And I kind of agree. I don't know if this is particularly readable on stream though. Do I need to make it bigger? I do like it. It's Minecrafty. You work 10 hours tomorrow? No. Oof. I'm sorry. That sounds like a pretty long day. Can I make this slightly bigger? That's it. We'll find some time. But hopefully you have a decent day at work tomorrow. 10 hours on a Sunday doesn't sound very fun. So my heart goes out to you. Okay, let me see. I'm planning to only work on game dev stuff on the weekend just because I was going to do some stuff off stream, but I ended up not doing that. So in this, oh god, it's so difficult to see. I have a canvas. This is the canvas. This is the crosshair, as you can see. It's beautiful. This is the actual canvas of like the UI. So you'll see that my description box is right here. And now I by default have it disabled. So this is disabled. Oh no, sorry, that's the actual description itself. The description box is disabled. And then where do I have? When I click on something, it says get the description box, get the text, I set the description text, and Also, I need to set the description box to active, so that will do that. And then I need to disable it. So I kind of need to work out how to do that. I wonder if I can just do like a timer and then just make it go away after a few seconds, or maybe I just lock the thing and then you can't move the screen. But I don't know how to do either of those things, so this is going to be tough. I kind of just want the text to go away after a few seconds. Gonna lurk for a bit, hope it goes well, thank you. I will try to do my best. We'll see. This is the update for checking the thing. This is the description. This is setting the thing to active or not. This is actually setting the text. Maybe, how do I do a timer in Unity? That would be just good to know anyway. Unity, set timeout. I'm just going to do the equivalent. Timers, threads. Coroutine. Start coroutine. Wait, as an enumerator return type? I need to import system collections. I need to start coroutine. Dying. 4F? Oh, right, like the wait time. Huh. I was going to pop in quick. I'm off on a day adventure. Nice. I hope you have an excellent day adventure. Thank you for stopping in and saying hello. I appreciate it. Alright, I'm going to try this timer because it might be useful to know how to do just for the sake of doing it. Right, let me do game active description, and then we do hide text. And then we need to make a new function, which is apparently enumerator. Oh, I need to import system collections. Enumerate. That's not a thing. Hello? When was this posted? 2017? Void dead, start coroutine. That's the name of the function. This doesn't seem... Oh wait, do I need to do that here? Ah, here we go. Hide text. So void hide text. Yield return new wait for seconds. Ah, let's say 5 seconds, and then description box set active false. Did I do this right? I feel like I didn't. Void is not an iterator type. Iterator. Enumerator. That's not a type, so I don't know how to make it do. No. Is the import correct? System. Is this. Do I need actually system threading? Kyo, hello. Full Turbo Dash, welcome in. How are you doing? Hope you're well. I enumerator. Oh, I enumerator. This person spelt this wrong and it's kind of messed me up. It said I enumerator. It's actually I enumerator. I think. I enumerator. There we go. My god. If you're gonna write a... Oh, well, he said if I spelled something wrong, I'm on phone. Okay, we'll allow it. I guess. Okay, I think this is right. So start coroutine, hide text. Yield, wait for 5 seconds, then set the description box to false. Let's try it. Doing the best I can, trying to survive another day of Adobe products. I feel for you. Cannot imagine what it'd be like to base your whole work flow and stuff around. I guess you are actively trying to change that, but I guess there's only so far you can go at a time. But yeah, I hope you have an escape strategy or you're working on it. Because it's definitely not fun. And this for sure. I had my fair share of that the other day when I was trying to edit a very basic video and it kept crashing like every 10 minutes. Not fun. Let's try this. So I should be able to click on a thing and it should go away for after 5 seconds. It did. Does it reset if I click on something else? Or does it still go after 5 seconds? I can't tell. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm just really bad at counting. Wait, I need to bring up a stopwatch on my phone. Clock. Stopwatch. Okay, here we go. And then when it gets to 4 seconds... Oh, I think it disappeared still. My escape strategy is getting a new work laptop. I had the money to buy it, then I got sent to the ER. Oh no. Yeah. That is not ideal. Very epic. Now I have to grind savings again until I can buy it again. I'm so sorry. It's like I remember reading this thing somewhere where it's like a lot of people are basically just 1 or 2 accidents away from like being completely homeless, and it's so like terrifying that that's like the reality for a lot of people in America. So yeah, I'm very sorry about the state of US healthcare. Let me see. Do this. Bruh, I don't think... Okay, yeah, it's definitely not resetting. That's because it's all tied to the same script, I think. So I would need to... Oh, I have the shout-out site still open. I wonder if I should close that. I can, it's fine. Can I interrupt this? Cancel coroutine? Coroutine. Stop coroutine. Stop all coroutines. Maybe? that restarts it. I can't really tell. I love being a freelancer in the US. Yeah. There's it's definitely something, huh? What are we working on today? That is a good question. So last week, which is when I installed Unity and tried to get everything set up, which I did successfully. So I have VS Code now all hooked up nicely to this, which I didn't have before. So now I have autocomplete and everything, which is really nice. I was trying to just work out how to do some very basic mechanics, because then eventually when we do work on the full game, which I'm hoping to do, it's just going to be a case of putting all those mechanics together. So one of the mechanics that I wanted to do is have like option to inspect items or like objects in the room, and then have like a small description. So as you can see, if I hover over this, I added this script over here where I gave myself a description field, and I can just fill in like some description that I want for this item. So with any luck, when we come to actually put the room together, then all I need to do is drag over this script, and that means that I can interact with that item and have it read a description. But now I need to kind of work out how to actually make the box go away. So any item that has this script on it and is on this layer has a crosshair appear when you go on it to indicate that you can click on it, I guess. And then you get a description, and now I need the description to go away after like a few seconds. As you can see right there, I clicked something else and the description still went away. So I wonder if I can cancel the coroutine and restart it. I'm not sure. Because it's technically all one. I guess, I don't know actually. Restart coroutine. Oh. Can I see if a coroutine is running? Interesting. I need like a global flag to see if like the I need like a global flag to see if everything is, if the coroutine is already running. Coroutine. Ah. Okay. So if I do coroutine, coroutine reference, then maybe I can assign it, and I can say if coroutine. How do I check if this is null? Can I assign this to be null? If is not null, if coroutine. Oh, I can't use it on this. And I can't force it. Maybe if I do check if a coroutine is null. Oh. Maybe I need another thing. Bool coroutine running equals false. So if coroutine is running, then I reassign it. Wait, maybe I just always reassign it, and that might always just restart it. Let me try that. Okay, that's a good test. If I just keep alternating between them, it should never disappear. But unfortunately it's still disappearing, so that's not helping. Ah. What if I do if description box active? So if it's already active, wait, does this not tell me if it's active though? Oh, maybe this. If it's already active, restart, or cancel, or stop a routine, hide text, else. Maybe that. Took me this long to realize it's the Minecraft font you're using. Yes, it's called Monocraft. Eddie, who's in the chat sometimes, recommended it to me for the game dev streams. I thought that would be a really cool way to switch up the editor for these streams. And of course, we'll obviously have to use this font when we go back to making Minecraft mods and stuff. It's only fitting. It's really cool. Like, the actual Minecraft font wouldn't work because, well, I guess it could work, but the spacing would be kind of off. So this is like, I guess it's why they called it Monocraft, because monospace fonts, or you probably already know this, they all take the same width, or the characters take the same width, which is kind of crucial for coding because everything needs to be uniform. Otherwise you have just things that are all like completely different length lines everywhere. It's really bad. We had someone change the font to Comic Sans a while ago, and that was terrible because it's not monospaced. So there is a monospaced version of Comic Sans. I think it's called Comic Mono or Comic, yeah. So it's Comic Sans but mono space, which actually does make it kind of look a little nicer, to be honest. Very pleasing, yes. I mean, it's still a little cursed, but this is at least terrible. So yeah, that was pretty cool. I haven't installed that. I don't know if I will. Maybe if it gets redeemed, but not right now. Okay, let's see. The thing is, with game dev stuff, like, a lot of this stuff has already been figured out, I'm sure. Oh, it's still going. Now it's not going away. So that's kind of awkward. Okay, that didn't work. Maybe we don't do a timer then. Maybe we just do it on the next click. Yeah. Let's do, if mouse button get one down and is colliding. So I could do this if I take the description. If mouse get one down, and then I do another if inside, if this, then I do all of this stuff, not this. Else, I set the description to false. There we go. Let's try that. If I click somewhere else, it goes away. But maybe that's not that intuitive. Or, well, I guess if I add a button prompt on the thing, it would be like, hey, it just goes now. Or maybe I lock the thing so you can't actually turn away. Lock player view, and then they have to click again to get rid of it. Maybe. I think I like that that option better. How do I do that though? The problem. I have to play controller. Maybe I can set their looking around to be 0. I also would really like if the text could track the item on the screen. That would be so cool. T. Unity have text float over item object. Floating text. How to do floating text about objects. The problem with that is that if we have a long sentence, it's not going to be really that great readable. Tea time. Speaking of, I need to reload. Alright, get yourself some tea. Big recommend. Text mesh is a free floating string in 3D space. Add a text mesh object. Add a mesh renderer. Get component text mesh.text equals hello. God, this was 2006. I mean, this text mesh thing has been deprecated now, I'm pretty sure, but still. Major necros, yeah. It went from 2006 to 2014. Oops. And then it got edited again in 2020. Wow. Malvertising, right, because the link's probably died by now. Mm-hmm. Evil Maximilian, how are you doing? Oh my god, welcome in. From Charlie's stream. Thank you for the follow the other day. I hope things are going well. I don't know how far Charlie got with that stream, but I hope it was productive. I know that I feel bad every time I talk because I feel like I'm distracting him, which I usually am. So I should stop doing that. Trying to work out how to do the thing that we want. I don't think that's what we want. You're welcome. I appreciate that. Very kind of you. I'm not as cool as Charlie, but right now we are working or trying to work on some game dev stuff. I have like zero experience in game dev, so this is all very new, and we're trying to find our way around it. Right now we have well, we made these objects interactable, so I can click on them and get some text. But I can't get the box to disappear the way I want it to. That's kind of annoying. Restart timer when script is run again, maybe? Unity restart script. Restart timer when script runs again. Maybe this? Streaming with viewers chatting is also boring. Oh, without, yeah, definitely. So I'm sure he appreciates the thing. It's just definitely a balance between trying to not get too derailed from what you're doing, because yeah, if you're trying to accomplish or learn something, then yeah, then trying to talk to everyone and opening stuff it can be complicated. Streaming is definitely difficult, so that's all I wanted to say. This isn't gonna cut it. I don't think this is what I want. It's picking up restart, but it's not picking up like restart the actual timer. Restart timer. What is the function name? It's I enumerator wait for seconds. Unity wait for seconds restart. Well, let's look at the Unity manual and see. Suspend the coroutine. Okay. See, this works in theory, but the problem is that if I run two coroutines, they're not going to like, it's just going to give me check if my hang on, I have an idea actually. Check if game object is active. Unity. What is the thing for that? Because I put equals active, but it said it's deprecated. It's replaced with active self. That's what I tried. PC specs are crazy. 1 tier above mine. I kind of went all out for my PC. I had been saving up for a long time, so I kept putting it off every year. I've been saving up since 2014, I want to say. And I was supposed to be building it like in 2016 or 17. But then I didn't. I just kept putting it off every year. And yeah, eventually when I got back from school and stuff, I I was like, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna build it. So I probably spent a bit more than I should have, but I was okay to do it because I'd been saving up for way longer than I intended. So it's all good. I do need to look at the cooling again though, because streaming Apex the other day, it did not enjoy that. I think it's a combination of like the heat that we're having in the UK and just, yeah, the cooling not being as good anymore. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna get rid of this. And then I'm also going to do coroutine. So start coroutine, hide text, and then hide text, waits for 5 seconds. Wait, hang on. I do if description active self. Oh, I wait, I get it now. I did the wrong thing. So I need to stop the coroutine here, I think. And then I need to start it and also set it to true. There we go, I think. Or maybe we do this. This has to go regardless if I stop it or not. Let's see. Looks like a fine machine. I guess we're in the same time zone. Are we? Are you GMT? BST, I should say, because it's summertime. Whereabouts in the world are you from? Don't mind me asking. Okay, so it's still going after 5 seconds. Oh, and now the other timers are triggering. That's bad. I just need to cancel the actual coroutine. Oh, what if I do this? So coroutine, I assign the coroutine to coroutine ref. And then I can stop the coroutine. Let's see. I'm super tired for some reason. I don't know why. Struggling to keep my eyes open. Oh. Can't even interact with a different object while this is in the way. Huh? I'm very confused. Okay, hold on 1 second. I live in Portugal. I wish I could work there in the UK. Portugal is nice, and I've visited a very long time ago, but I really enjoyed where I went. I don't 100% remember. I think it was somewhere on the coast. I know some people who from, well, who is it? Oh, his name escapes me. From Stream Elements. Works, he lives in Portugal. One of my friends moved there as well. Maybe if I do coroutine equals null. Yeah, we'll do that. Portugal is fine 5 times, except the 5 times lower wages. Oh no. Oop. Yeah, that's probably not good. But how about the cost of living? Is it balanced to the cost of living, or is it 5 times, like, is it proportionally still worse? Why can't I click this other object? Maybe I just say null and I don't stop it. The timeout is still happening. Cancel coroutine. Unity. Mm-hmm. This seems difficult. I just want to cancel the thing so I can make the other text appear. Oh wow, my eyes do not want to stay open. Coroutine fire reset. If it doesn't equal null, stop coroutine. Fire reset equals null. Fire reset equals start coroutine. Reset fire. Maybe we do this. Hold on, I need to cover up the chat 1 second. Fire reset. Okay, so if I say if the coroutine doesn't equal null, then I would stop the coroutine and I would make it equal null, which is what I did. And then I would say coroutine equals that. Right. So this should ensure that it is only running once. Damn it. It looks like it was cancelling and then at the end there it didn't do it. Okay. I need to short circuit out of this quickly. The houses are about the same as most Europe, believe it or not. Cars are even more expensive, restaurants much cheaper, so the cost of living I would say is still lower, but not enough to compensate the huge wage differences. Damn. That sucks a lot. Yeah, hopefully it gets better. Do you know if like is that happened recently? Was it better before and it's worse now? Has it always been pretty bad? Also, one sec, I'm gonna take off this top because it's getting actually really warm. Slightly better. Alright, I don't think let me just Google how to do this. Show text when inspecting object Unity. Inspect system tutorial. Maybe we just follow this tutorial. I really wanted to put off doing video stuff, but sample text. I want to see what this looks like. Does he give an example? I want the example. Ah. Oh, but it's only when you're looking at it. I could do that as well, actually. I think I would know how to do that. I would want it to appear when you are specifically interacting with it, though. For example, a mid-level software engineer takes home about £1,300 after taxes a month. Ooh, ouch. Mid-level. It's pretty rough. I would say that's definitely, yeah, in the UK it's probably more of a junior amount. Maybe even less than that. That is definitely pretty bad. Well, hey, the UK is definitely always open to having you here if you manage to ever get the opportunity. I'm sure we would be thrilled to have you around. I want to see. Oh. Let me see.
Earlier versions and later versions of Unity, but I'll show you the things that you want to create, and you can see in the background that we can highlight over different objects. We can set those specific objects to control what their name is, and when we click on them, we'll be able to have some additional information. So
yes, that is what we want.
Show you how to create the interaction and show you how to make this work.
Okay. I think we'll use this tutorial. I hope so. Thanks for the kind words. No worries. The UK definitely has its problems, but it's not all that bad here, so Yeah, I think that's the same with any country, to be honest. And you already speak very good English, so and I'm sure you would fit in very well.
And I'll set that equal to 5. I'll have another square bracket serialized feed, private layer matching.
Oh my god. Wait.
We can set name.
Okay, I think this is a short. Maybe we'll just follow this tutorial.
And then we can call
so it looks like, can I make him faster?
I'll have another square bracket serialized field, private layer mask, and have this as layer mask interact. And that's going to be something where it's only something that has a particular layer that we'll be able to find. And then I'm going to have another variable which I'm going to create, but I'm going to call this object controller for now because this is another script that we're going to create which is going to control the specific information of our actual object. So I'm going to call
I think ray length is going to be the important thing here, because right now when we're doing this, you can inspect objects from very far away. Look, I'm standing all the way over here because that ray length is pretty far. So we actually need to do that. This is also in 2020, so I'm not. I think things might have changed a little. Collider game object controller.
Then we'll have something which has the raycasted object, and then we'll have it's going to show the name that we want. So we're going to also change the crosshair at this point because we've found something. Another off, and then we'll have 2 left there. Right.
Okay, the crosshair thing I kind of already figured out, so that's okay. Oh, he's using like a flag system for the do once. And this is where we do the interacting. Show extra information.
And do once is equal to false. And so what this means now down here is that if we're ever looking away from the particular object, because you can see this if statement's encapsulating the raycast, if we're not using the raycast and we're actually looking away from the particular object and the actual crosshair object, just to update that in Visual Studio, and I'll get rid of the starting method.
What?
Come back to the raycast when we update these. So we'll create another script and do that C# and then create this as I'm going to call this inspect control.
Oh, this is the inspect controller, okay. On-screen timer.
And then I'm going to have a timer at the start with 2 brackets. Obviously, above the start. So we'll have start dot in is equal to.
Oh, I have to do a timer system. That's exactly what I was hoping to avoid.
Information that we've given, and then start timer is equal to false because then we shouldn't be able to count down anymore. So now we're going to create some methods which are going to do all the things that we want to show the information, show the extra information, hide it method with our object name in object name with hide name with 2 brackets, 2 curly brackets. I'm not going to pass anything into here equal to wait for it to
Okay, I think this is exactly what we want then, because I was kind of hoping to avoid this. I thought I would be able to use like this coroutine system to be able to like wait 5 seconds. I mean, it's not that much of a hassle, but it is kind of a hassle. Oh, fine, whatever. Okay, we'll do that then. I just realized I still have Nick Cage as my icons. That's kind of hilarious. Okay, here's what we'll do. We'll make the timer. Let me bring up the video so I can reference it. Oh god, not like that. How should I do this? I can pop this out.
additional info and have this as another item called string, and it's going to be the new info that we're going to pass.
Can I rewind this in this view? I don't think I can. Oh, never mind.
So that means that the value of
Wait, how did the on-screen timer work?
The ammo looks like some spare wood that could come in handy. But what is good about this is that I can overlay the actual UIs and it will just time down by 5 seconds each time I click it, so I can always overlay each one and it doesn't ever break it, it just updates it as it goes along. So it's perfect to add as many interactions as you want. So hopefully this helped you out. I will upload this to the Unity Asset Store, so be able as you so if now object can do all those things that you need.
Okay, so we need the float timer, we need the bool start timer, and we need the extra info background. Do I make that? I think I do want to keep this in the probable script, so we'll do that. Show description. Description box, okay. Hide description. And then what I want to do is do the timer system. So let me see. Update. This would need to go in update. I guess it makes sense. I'm going to move this back to the conditional here. Like so. And then inside update, I will also do if start timer, timer time delta time. If timer is less than or equal to 0, I will do timer equals 0. Dot timer equals false and hide description. Show description. Music stopped. Okie dokie. Yeah. So I think this should work. Oh, I need to set description to true, don't I?
So underneath our curly brackets, so you can click on the pick the and then at this point follow method. So now really when we go back then time equals time we need to specify a value which is true.
Ah, show additional info.
UI.text is equal to the
timer equals on-screen timer start timer is true.
There is in it the idea of the fall, and it goes back as a matter of fact to extremely fundamental things.
Okay.
And then one last one, like we said before, we have void, but this one is only specific to the script. We're going to clear the additional info with 2 brackets into curly bracket below, and then we'll say the extra info eg.setActive is false in brackets, and then extra info.
Wait, I think actually this goes start timer would go in here, show description.
We wanted to appear in our timer is when we hit 0, we want to clear that additional information. So now we can call this method, which will be clear additional info with 2 brackets and a semicolon. So that means it's all set now, ready for us to move on to our other script. Info with 2 brackets.
What was clear?
So that means it's all set now, ready, which will be clear additional info with 2 brackets and a semicolon.
Oh, okay, I see.
So that means it's all set now, ready for us to move on to our other script and update it. We're going to create one called the
Right, I don't actually know too much about the public things, so we should look into that. The public methods. That'll be really cool. Okay. Because I think, yeah, we'll see. I should get to grips with the script basics before we get too complicated. But let's see if this works. Okay. What was the time that we actually set?
So remember before we had to appear in our timer. Like we said before, we had void, but this one's only specific. It's true, and extra info UI dot text is equal to the new name bg, or the entire object name background, because we parent
Private float timer. It doesn't set the timer length anywhere.
This case now is because I got rid of the. We can look for this variable has and say raycasted. Turn the crosshair off if we're not looking at anything. Talk to this. We can change the values. And last but not least, down here when we say that we turn the crosshair off if we're not looking at anything, we should say that raycasted object dot hide object name with two brackets and a semicolon. So at this point, we've already found it because we already looked for it. If it isn't anything else, we'll just hide it and make sure that it's not there. So now we can go into our inspect control. We can add our object name background. So in this case, it was.
Wait, this isn't.
Background, the object name UI, so it's item text. We can say the extra info background there and the extra description text. We can set the start timer to 5. We can save that. We'll go back onto our main.
Okay. Bruh. Doesn't like that. If start timer. Oh, I didn't actually start the show description. Okay. Now the only problem is that it doesn't reset. Maybe I do that here. Okay, it's continually resetting, I think. It should go away after 5 seconds. If I keep clicking between these, it shouldn't get reset. I'm going to keep doing that, and I'm going to use a timer. One second, trying to find a timer. Reset. Okay, start. Sorry, lap. Oh, it still went away after about... Wait. Yeah, it's still going away early. I think I'm missing something. Maybe... Timer is less than 0. Timer equals 0. My description. Maybe this is where I reset it? Oh, but I actually need to set the thing here. If start timer minus delta time is less than 0, time equals 0. Or maybe I reset it here. Try that. So on the first go, goes after 5 seconds as expected. On the second go, also 5 seconds. The second one, okay. I think it's because they're using a shared timer. So what I should try and do is, if I click it again and it's already running, I should reset it. Marco, hello. You said you have Siege. I do. I don't have it installed though, because I don't really have any space at the moment. I'm pretty swamped with space. Did you get a Prenny to play Siege with you? I don't remember if you said that he was going to play, but I don't remember if he streamed that. Reset timer. M equals 5. Maybe I'll just do that. So if this is clicked, if start timer is already true, reset timer, else show description. And he is getting Siege. Ah, nice, nice. Wait, what just happened? Oh my god. It's because it's... Oh. Hang on. Reset timer. Timer equals false. Show description. Alright, let's try this again. What? Why is it disappearing? If start timer is already true, then I restart the timer, otherwise I show the description. Within the same loop, if timer is already running, I decrement the timer. Oh, maybe I need to set this to 0. Maybe? I don't think I need to set start time to false before I set it to true again, but we'll see. Hmm.
The rear length was equal to 5, we can add the crosshair into that slot. We can say that the layer was not created. So we can go to the top, add a new layer, and we will call this interact. So we'll go back onto our main camera again and set that layer to interact. That's perfect. Then we can go onto one of our objects, let's say our bathroom scale that we've got. We can add our choose add a component and choose object control. You can see that now it appears that I can set the object name, I can set the extreme info, but it's looking for the inspect controller. But before that, we need to make sure that we've got a tag of interact object. If not, you can add one to interact object. We'll set the layer to interact if it's not already. Then we're looking for the inspect controller, so we'll just drag that straight in. Perfect. Then we can say that this one is going to be.
Okay. I think I'm starting to get this. So I actually need to make like a inspect controller, which is the like the global manager for this, and that's how they share a state. I think I see. Okay, so the way that I'm doing it actually doesn't work because these are both sort of independent objects. So what I'm going to need to do is remove or make a controller. Okay, we'll do that. We'll try it. How do I do that? Maybe this? Oh, that's not gonna work. I just make a new script. Inspect controller. Okay. Let's rewind. Be kind, rewind. Okay, let's see. So this takes in the public will start timer, hide and inspector. Oh, I forgot those are like classes. These are like the types of tags, I guess. Serialized fields. Force Unity to serialize a private field. I don't think I need to do that. Alright, well, whatever. Game object. Description background. Text. And this is going to be the temp text. How is that? TM Pro. Description text. Like on-screen timer, extra info GUI. Oh, that's actually what I want. Oh, that's fine. Enable start timer. Public. Private float timer.
Please don't hurt me this time, 'cause I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. Hey, don't worry.
This is start, so this is where I need to set the game object, description background. through. Miko, hello. I have some... What the heck is going on? There's like this... Sorry, there's light like shining right in front of my face. Like, very mysterious looking. Are you an applet because you make me feel all gooey inside? Nice. That was... See, but I know... Well, I guess you kind of... I don't know if you came up with that or if you looked that up. I feel like you might have looked that one up. How are you doing? Even I'm ashamed of that one. At least I knew how to read it as GUI. Someone else might have just said GUI and then that wouldn't have landed, so... Meta, hello! Thank you for the luck. I'm lucky in your stream. I hope. Your Swift is going well. I know things, I just don't know a lot. Oof. I mean, you're fine. We can't know everything. What did Meta just do? That was weird. Also, you just said GUI the correct way, so yeah. Well, I know how to say GUI because I know what it stands for. It stands for Graphical User Interface. But so I appreciate that you honed that joke in on me, and thank you for your faith in expecting me to know. I don't know what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say. Okay. I think this is what I want, and then in update. Oh, you know what we should... Oh, I'm not really there yet. I'm not there yet. Kappa. I was gonna do the model thing, but we'll do that next time, I think. I hope you're having a good weekend, though. Hope everything is fine and dandy. I was doing some Apex with Jake and Kieran earlier. That was fun. We actually won the game. We won the game right before I started stream, so it was nice to end on a win. Even though I only got 4 assists and didn't... Oh, it's fine. I did damage. That's what I'm there for. I'm moral support. If timer is less than or equal to 0, timer equals 0. Start timer equals false. There we go. So when this updates, the timer is going to tick down and then the thing will disappear. Let me save that.
So now we're going to create some
okay. This is where things get interesting because I haven't used public voids before. How do I change the tab spacing on this? Tab. Set indentation. I napped for far too long. Yeah, I feel that. Don't worry. I slept in as well, but it's fine. It's the weekend. I'm allowed to do that. Show name. Okay, so I do public void show name string. Oh, this is the additional info. Okay. Description. So I should do show description. Timer equals on-screen timer. Okay. Timer equals on-screen timer. Where did that come from?
.text is equal to the new info that we're going to specify in the object.
Hello?
Our object name that we specify, and the object name is just going to be this argument we're going to pass in when we'll make
Oh, private float on screen timer. Okay, I guess I need that. Needing. Never mind, I did sneeze. Float on a visible timer. Do you know HTML stuffs, by the way? I do indeed know HTML stuffs. What kind of HTML stuffs are you looking for? Ideal in the HTMLs. I need to I'm gonna have to play with my lighting again if it gets too dark. I don't think I will go on for too much longer this stream. Maybe we'll go until 7:30, and then so I do 1 more hour of this, and then I'll jump into a bit of Splatoon 3. But maybe not too much. Then I want to play some later as well. I figured you did because of trigger fire, but yeah, is there a reason? Or were you just asking? Just wanted to know. But yes, there is HTML in it. Technically in React it's called JSX, which is like a weird, it's like an extension of HTML where you can put like JavaScript and stuff in it as well. It's really cool. Very, very awesome. Sorry, this is visible timer. Yeah. And then start timer equals true. And I set description background true. And I set description text dot text equals description. And then I do a clear. God, he's speaking so fast. But I did set him to do that, so I can keep up. I think. Wait, pause. What was he doing? Okay, so I do that here. Oh, okay. Yes, since you mentioned timers, I've thought a while of making a subathon type timer, but based on multiple actions. Ah, yeah. I've actually worked on a few subathon timers before. So if you need something, then I can probably help you. Recently, I made a subathon timer that adds a random amount of time for like subs and bits and stuff. So like a sub could add anywhere between, I think it was 5 and 30 minutes or something. No, it actually wasn't that bad. It was like 5, maybe between 3 and 10 minutes, because obviously if you get like 5 gift subs, then that's going to get multiplied, so it could get a bit crazy. But yeah, I pretty much have the base for that, so I can just tweak that if you need something. Oh, I see. It allows it. I see. Oh, if you were doing it through Firebot, then yeah, that would probably require a different setup. I'm not too familiar with Firebot. I usually make them through Stream Elements because they just allow you to make a browser source. So you would just literally dump put the browser source into the into OBS, and then you can use it that way. But yeah, I heard Firebot allows you to like custom code and stuff, which is pretty cool. Okay, I think what I need to do is rewind.
and then open brackets together. Then we'll have something which is anything other than those two things together. It'd be text.
I don't need the crosshair thingy.
Okay, for that section, we'll have else, and we're going to specify in the else that if crosshair active is true at any point, then we'll say that we're going to find the raycasted object again and maybe hide the object name because we're not looking. Then we'll say that crosshair change is false and do once is equal to false. And so what this means now down here is that if we're ever looking away,
I really like that he's putting these comments in because I can see where future code is going to go. He's just like showing where some things are going to go in the future, which is pretty cool. So I can see that the mouse interaction is going to go here. I already did the inspect controller, so how would that go in? Oh, the object controller, okay.
so now that's the object we're going to be able to talk to.
Ah, this is how you do it. I see, okay. That also works. Can you increase the time based on commands? Because I could just input time from other things such as Ko-fi. Yeah, I think so. I'm pretty sure you could also... I don't know if Ko-fi has... Sorry, I need to turn on the key light because now it's... Bear with. It's... Oh god. Oh, actually, that's not too bad. I'm usually like super the wrong color because of like everything being different temperatures, but I think that turned out okay. I think Ko-fi has an API. I don't know if it's public access, but it could be cool to do like Ko-fi alerts and stuff. I'm pretty sure Ko-fi has like a thing for alerts, so maybe it is possible. But yeah, it could be. It's definitely possible to do it through what do you call it? Commands. And then you can like tie that to your Stream Deck and then just hit a button to add time. I would put the command into chat, sorry, and then it would add time. That's what I meant. I can words sometimes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm? Oh, I was really confused right there. Ko-fi has a Lumia connection, so I could get Lumia to shout out command. Ah, okay, okay. Nice. So you can automate it that way. Cool. Yeah, I think that would work. You could have it even not do commands. You could have it so that Lumia does a nice text like so and so did oh, I guess it would be through Ko-fi and Lumia, so it's confusing in my head, but I know what I'm trying to say is you get the donation on Ko-fi and Lumia stream is like, hey, so and so donated blah, and then the widget can pick up that text, so it doesn't have to be like a straight up command. It could just be like the text, and then you would only have to check that the text comes from Lumia. And that way people can't just fake it and write, you know, the message into chat for it to pick up, because you could check which user said what message. That makes sense. Came up with the coding pickup line. Well, thank you. The GUI was a good touch. Appreciate it. Okay, I'm gonna make a object controller. Actually, this could work. Maybe. Can I, how do I import that though? That's the question, isn't it? Inspect controller? How do I know?
When we connect it to our actual object.
Oh, maybe. Wait. Private. Oh, sorry. Text. Oh, I can do text area. Public field. Public. string description. I do that check. Yeah. So you know what I mean. You know what I mean. And then inspector controller inspect. Oh, sorry, inspect controller, not inspector. Inspect controller. How does it know where this comes from? Because I made inspect controller here. How does this know? Do I have to export that somehow?
Then when the new
Let me scroll back in time a bit.
I'm gonna have square brackets serialized
Public class inspect controller mono behavior.
info UI. So we're gonna actually the extra info, the description we're gonna give, and we'll have a private.
That didn't do. That's what I've done.
Extra info, so we can in the game. Then we'll say that if timer, no way for it to act. Fill in. You can see on my player values up at the top. Then rename this to inspect controller, and this is going to be where we're going to add our controller object. And you can see that there's some variables to fill in. You can see on create our very last script, which is a nice short one. We'll right click on the script folder for C#, and I'm going to create. What I'm going to do.
How does it know where this comes from? Let's Google this. Oh, these are all like the wrong thing. Let's save and go back and maybe it will know. Maybe I need to drag it to the item. I'm gonna remove this fobbable script. Oh, I'll disable it, and then what I do is I don't know where. Don't know how this reference another script. C# Unity reference script. Pass in another script. Oh, I use a namespace. I think I do. Do I? Did he have a namespace and I just completely missed it?
The object name from this script.
I can't see a namespace.
It can go away with chap, and I'm going to create one called the object controller. And I'll
Wait.
that in Visual Studio, and we'll get rid of the starter methods again. We will use the Unity using Unity engine.ui. Then from here, what I'm going to do is add a serialized field in square brackets again and say private string object name, because this is the actual object. The actual name of the object we're going to specify in this variable for the script, which is going to talk to our controller script, which is what the script we just created. Then what I'll do is I'm going to write in square brackets text area, and then I'll have another square bracket serialized field next to that, and have that private.
I'm confused. Maybe try putting this in a namespace. Really? Public class. What the heck? Bruh. I am confusion. Maybe I need to rewind more. Maybe I need to use Unity UI. That didn't work. Am I missing an assembly reference?
Layer, mask, interact, and I'm going to write some text over this, so I'll see if again. But remember, it's tutorial size we've got a different list and open up in Visual Studio. So I'll get rid of the starting methods, and at the top we're going to be looking at the UI. So we'll say you have any size rate, not update private remember that time we create the how true going to be able to get that there and it's going to specific set into active and you can see that there's some variables to fill in. You can see on main camera that we have our control object, and you can see that there's some variables to fill in. You can see on my main
Okay, so inspect canvas. Wait. Let me put the inspect canvas. Sorry, the inspect controller on the canvas. So I have inspect controller here. And now if I go to the object controller, that's still not defined. You're interested? You just need to continue to make a script called object controller. I did do that. But I can't import the type of a different thing. Even though I should be able to. Unity import type, import class from Another script. Public class. That's what I did. Public my other class. Oh. Oh no, I do need that to be a class. Now in the inspector, click the right and I'll show you the instances. This is so confusing. Let me restart this. Still not appearing. Can't force it. Public class. Oh, I spelled inspect wrong. Oh my god, this whole time I spelled inspect wrong. Bruh. I'm so upset. I don't think anyone's watching, so no one knows. No one saw that I spelled inspect wrong that entire time. Okay, we're good now. Big yikes. Okay, so it does pick it up automatically. That's good. Good. Right, back to the thing.
That we should also add our private script which dot show so we can set item extra info by changing.
Okay, so we have the text field, the inspect controller, show object name. Okay, the info is what we need. So public void show description, inspect controller show description.
You don't get confused, and we've just literally given it a string that was specified up here. So we can, as our last port of call, we'll go back into our raycast because we're going to work on a few things that we want to tweak. So in this case now, is because I got rid of these without errors. Now object controller is an actual script that exists. So object controller is that script now, so we can look for that as the raycasted object. So now we can say that if I move the thing, we can say raycasted object that was the.
Wait, is that what I needed? What? Inspect controller. Oh, I didn't make it.
So we can, as our last port of call, we'll go back into our raycast.
I didn't make it public. Hide name. Oh, because it disappears after the time goes away, right? Okay, I need to relook at this, the object controller reference now. Okay, so this is the inspect raycast. Yeah. Oh, wait, I actually need that. I don't need this. Okay, so now I need to go back to, I think, probable. Let's see. So I have the ray length. All right. I'm gonna copy this as a backup in case. What I want to do is the description won't be on this anymore. We need a object controller. This is the object controller. The crosshair is fine. The do once is fine because that's already been handled. The layer mask we already have. And the ray length we need. So let's make a new int ray length. Oh, I will probably have to implement the ray length on the crosshair side actually. That's okay. That's fine. Alright, so we have the raycast hit. That's actually what we're doing already, I think. Are we? Mouse position. Vector 3 forward. Maybe we just update it. No, this kind of works though, is the problem. We already have tags for interact. We don't. That's fine. I don't think we need to, or do we? I didn't really want to change too much of this stuff, but maybe we should. Okay, so we have the vector. If raycast hit, so you can see that that's what I'm doing. If colliding, I'm basically just. Ah, it's not infinity. It's ray length. Okay, that's what we want to change. And oh, sorry. Mask interact dot value. I guess we don't. We just put in the mask and it gets that. And then if hit collider. So what I'm doing is getting the game object. Oh, but it's comparing the tags. So should I do tags as well? I don't need this anymore. And I've basically just combined these two if statements into one to make it a bit more manageable. This is where I do the raycast object. So this is where I go object controller, show description. Oh, sorry, I don't need to put that in. I don't actually need description text anymore. I don't need description box. I don't need description text. So all of these I can hide. I can also hide this. I can also hide this. Delete this, sorry. And I can also remove this check. Excellente. Okay, I think that works. Wait. Oh, the object name is... that's fine. Okay, now this is where we go back. So on object controller, we have the description. This is a cube. And the inspect controller is going to be on the canvas. How do I drag that over though? How does it... Can I see that? Oh. Canvas inspect controller. Alright, hello. How you doing? Having fun? I think so. I'm trying to make this work the way I want it to, and I think I'm getting there. I have no idea. I'm just throwing stuff at a wall and seeing what sticks. This is the best way to do it, probably. This is Thrax tube. Don't touch. And then the inspect controller for this will be this. So now I need to go back to canvas, and then I have the inspect controller there. Start timer should be hidden actually. Why is that visible? I need the... Oh. Wait, I think I did things wrong. OMG, my tube on Twitch for free. Right in front of my salad. Right in front of my Unity. Excuse me. I had no idea. I'm so sorry. Wait. I'm now confused. I made these scripts and now I don't know what's connected where. Okay, the inspect controller is the one, right. That's this one. That goes here. But I don't have those fields. Oh, because I didn't make them public. Okay. Public. I don't think this needs to be public, does it? No, probably not. Which on-screen timer? That's visible timer, so that would be this. Okay. So now we go back to canvas. How was your GeoGuessr yesterday? Right in front of my Unity. How did the rest of GeoGuessr go yesterday? Okay, so description background will be description box. Description text will be description. And the visible timer will be 5. There we go. So that's on the canvas. That's the inspect controller. And then on the objects, I have the inspect controller hitting that. That's correct.
Back onto our main camera, and we can set that the rear length was equal to 5. We can add the crosshair into that slot. We can set the layer we've not created. So we can go to the top, add new layer, and perfect. Then we can...
Wait, what object is that on?
Of our objects, let's say our bathroom scale that we've got, we can add our... I can choose add a component and choose object control. You can see that now it appears I can set the object name, I can set the extra info.
What is this on? Oh, these are on the boxes. Okay, so the objects, that makes sense.
Let's say alpha not created. So we can go to the top, add new layer, into that slot. We can set the
Then the raycast goes where?
add new layer, into that slot. We can set the layer we've not created. So we can go to the top, add new layer, and we'll call this interact. So
Oh, okay. I might have got things confused. I think I'll use it as a starting up game akin to just chatting. That sounds like a good idea. Gets people in. I was actually more comfortable playing in your GeoGuessr than Gans. I haven't played in Gans because I know everyone in his chat is like really good. So I never want to play because I know I'll do it really badly, but I can kind of meme in your one, so I'll probably join in them if I manage to catch you hosting them. It's fun to... my geography is pretty bad in general, but it's nice to kind of just throw out guesses and stuff. I always played in Gans and I was in the wrong country. Yeah, there's so much like meta to that game, unintended, that it's kind of ridiculous. Like being able to see the images, like how blurred they are in the sky, the rifts, and like the type of camera that's being used on, if you look down on the tripod thingy. Just like if Google were to just erase that information, then they would be completely lost. It feels like it's a pretty like fragile system. I mean, they can't really delete it because the image has already been taken, but still. I love how much people learn about it. Yeah, it's really good, fun to like. Yeah, it's one of those things that the more you do, I think you get better at it. Yeah. Let me see. I am in confusion because I don't know where any of this stuff goes. Wait. I did this correct. Yes. I did this stuff correct. Inspect controller. And then I need the probable. Wait, but then I'm so confused. Oh, wait, hang on. Let me just try it, see what happens. Oh my god, it didn't work. Of course it didn't. Because something is wrong. Something. I'm determined to get this to work though. Show description, description. That's what I did. And then on probable, oh, maybe it's because this needs to go on somewhere else, I think. Yeah. Oh, it's because it's not active. I disabled it. But I think I only need one. So let me actually disable these and then add the thing to the player controller. Let's see if that worked. It did not work. Okay. Maybe. Oh, do I need to assign? No, I don't think I do. Probable. Oh, you know why? Because I get it. I think I know why. I do need to add the tag because it's not the game object anymore. Probable object. So if I tag this as a probable object, Andrew's gonna hate me for using that word so much, but whatever. In the script, scripts probable. I'm checking if the object that I'm hitting is the object that I've assigned, which I no longer actually even have. So yeah, that's why this doesn't work. But if I do if hit, oh wait, if I do tag compare tag, okay, let me double check. What made you want to try out Unity? I don't know really. It's something that I've wanted to do for a while, and I think, oh, actually, you know what? It was meta playing that horror game, the one to do with the booty cheek, because I was like, that's like one of Puppet Combos games, and every time I see Puppet Combos games, I'm like, I want to make a game like that. Probable objects. And so yeah, that's how that came about. And now I kind of want to do it. again, but I set up Unity properly this time, so I actually have a chance. Like, look at this. Before, when I was using Unity, I didn't have any of the IntelliSense, so I had no, like, help from the autocomplete, which was hell. And yeah, I basically, now that I have that, I feel like I have a better chance of doing this. So let's try that. No. Why? Wait, do I need to disable? Oh, I already have disabled description box, so why is it still appearing? Meta's booty cheek horror game? Yes. You know what I'm talking about. Check object reference was not set to an instance of an object. What? Wait. I think I might actually know what this is. What if I do public layer mask and then I do mask.value compare tag hit collider compare tag throwable object. I think this is all fine, isn't it? Oh, wait. Oh no, actually I don't need that. Or do I? Let me double check.
So in this case, it was the object name background. We'll go back with our main camera. Quite appear to act up dollar, so we'll just drag that straight in. Perfect. Then we can say that this one is going to be a bathroom.
Guy Mac, hello. Good afternoon.
Something like that.
How are you doing?
On the scale, it doesn't.
Do I have Minecraft? I do have Minecraft, yes.
So I've just added the change the perfect to array the text. We can now found this.
How was Fortnite yesterday? I was lurking a bit.
Then specify because we've now found this object raycasted object. So this one was the object name.
Hold on.
Is that a chalice? Oh, there's art. Cassie, come here. No.
What? Okay.
No, there's art. You want the art? I promise. Look.
Yes, I'll take the art.
Oh, so
I was
sorry.
gonna say, you know, because Gordy does a lot of his, he has like the butt emotes. So I was thinking, you know, if you were in the community, then technically, you know, you were in the butt. And they're
Oh
really
my God.
wrong when you think about it.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
object name, and then that done last but not least, a million different times on a million different objects, and its own object name, the item name background, the object name UI, so it was item name text. We can say that the extra info background, and we'll go back onto our main camera, and we can set that the rail length was equal to 5. We can add the crosshair into that slot. We can set the layer we've not created, so we can go to the top, add new layer. Perfect. Then we can go onto one of our objects, let's say our bathroom scale that we've
Bruh. You know, you could have just said that it would have taken like the same amount of letters to type that. Okay, well, I was just showing off my Nick Cage icons. Nothing, I wasn't saying anything super important. Damn. Alright. It's evident that I'm super tired today because that happened. Moving swiftly on. Oh, so earlier I basically spent half an hour trying to work out why this wasn't working, and I misspelled inspect controller. I spelled it without the S. Inspect controller, and I was like wondering why I couldn't import the class. Fortunately, I don't think anyone was here to see that, but still, that was painful. Okay, okay, I have hit the I've done that. I really want to get this working before I don't know if I'll play Splatoon anymore, because it's like I want to do this. But at the same time, alright, so I've set that, I've set that, and then on the player controller, I've set the throbbable thingy. Huh. I'm gonna undo this. See, I don't know where object controller comes from. This is the missing link. I think if I figure this out, it's game over. Wait. It's here. I need to get the component object controller. Yo, okay. Game object, get component object controller. Okay. I think I get it now. Do I? I have no idea. We're gonna try it. Wait. Is probable. I'm gonna rename this to is probable object. Look at you. Making friends in chat. It's so cool. What I like about Twitch is probable object. And then I do object controller, object control. No, I already have that. We'll call it object controller. It's collider, game object, get components, object controller. Yes. Yes. And then object controller. Oh, sorry. I actually just assign object controller to this. So I go object controller equals that. Oh, I don't even actually need to make a private for this because I could just do object controller here. And then I do object controller show description. All right. I'm aware that I've just said that word like 50 times in the last minute. Why? This was supposed to work. This is a cube. Oh, hold on. It works. This is Thrax cube. Don't touch. And it disappears after 5 seconds. I can't believe I just got that to work. Does it? Okay, this is what I need to test now though, is that the 5 seconds gets reset every time. Let me bring up my stopwatch on my phone, and if I do start, it disappeared after 5 seconds. Okay, then if I keep doing this and I'm like start, that's 5 seconds. If I lap this after 4 seconds, does it still disappear after 5 seconds? It does! It works! Hooray! Oh my god, okay. We'll definitely have to check out the content sometime, Schlack. Yes! Please check out each other's channels. I feel like you're both pretty chaotic, at least. I don't know if I watch that many chaotic streamers, but yeah. You, I think you would enjoy each other's content, and I mean that in the normal, sane way. As long as I can last, forgive me. Damn. Brings me back to my college days. Did you do... I wish I did more like coding in college. My school is very not like IT based. It was very businessy, markety, like humanities type stuff, which was kind of always really annoying because I was definitely more into like the STEM stuff, like sciencey stuff. The science actually was pretty decent, but there was basically no like computing or coding courses at all. Like I had to request a coding what do you call it, course. I should actually say college in the UK is different to university. It's like the school that you go to before university. So I would have loved to go to university and do like coding and stuff, but unfortunately I didn't get to straight away. That was kind of sad, but yeah, I eventually did go that way afterwards. It just took a bit of extra time. Never made anything big, just basic programs, still also fun. Yeah, there's something very satisfying about coding something or like writing something and then like having it run on the screen. It's so cool. That's kind of why I like programming. And basically anything you can think of, you can turn into a reality. The only thing I need to do now is disable the description box if it's not. Can I do that? Can I hide that? Maybe if I initialize that in the probable controller. On start, I do. Oh wait, hold on. In the inspect controller, I can set on start description background active false. Description. Oh, actually, yeah, I can do that. Description text dot text equals empty string. So now it should start off like that. You can't see anything. Yeah, there you go. So it doesn't appear, and then you can click it to make it appear. Nice. WTF is your degree in? The UK confuses the F out of me. Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, fair. I don't really have a comeback to that. All right, I'm just glad that we got this working. That's a win in my book. I kind of want to make the UI a bit nicer though. Maybe we'll try that. I went to school for IT project management, so I touched on programming, really enjoyed it. I've sadly not finished my degree yet, but will be kind of in the middle of changing my focus in the IT world. Nice. I love that. It's definitely good to like refocus and like make sure that you're spending time doing something that you want to do. I did my original degree in biomedical science, and I ended up not, like, I did look for jobs after I graduated, but then I decided that I didn't want to do it. So I could have like not saved time and not finished the degree, but I actually was really enjoying it while I was doing it. It's just that the job market for it is not as great as I was thinking. And to be honest, I think I knew I wanted to go into coding, so I just couldn't do it straight out of school. But yeah, I ended up getting to combine my biology stuff and my computing stuff for my master's, which was really great because it kind of everything came full circle in a way. That was nice. All right, I'm gonna remove these. So I can set the description here. This is Thrax Cube, don't touch. All I need to do is set the inspect controller. That's really cool. Okay, so being able to do this helps me kind of understand the flow a bit better. Like I need to make like managers basically. I need to make the controller that handles the inspection thing. So I'm assuming I'll need to do that for like other types of things. If I go over to the canvas, so this is the UI. This is kind of I hate the UI part of Unity because it feels so weird. Like this is the screen. Wait, where is it? This is the screen. This is the screen. There's the crosshair in the middle. This is the box that represents the what do you call it? The description. It just feels really like janky. I feel like there should be a better way to do this, but maybe not. Let me try and... Oh, actually, I don't want to do that. Let me undo this. I want to make sure that I can... It would be cool if I could make the background fit to the text. I wonder if there's a way to do that. Unity, make background fit the text. All right. Using a content size filter. This isn't really what I was looking for. Making a dialogue that fits to expand to its text. I wonder if there's just a way that I can add a background to this text without needing the image description box. Can I hide this? Okay, so description text, description, vertex color? Oh, that's the actual color of the text. Would it be spacing? No. Extra settings, face? No. Outline? Oh, maybe I just do an outline. Oh. Wait. No. Oh. Ah. Can I... I don't want to... No. Okay, wait. Maybe not that then. Extra settings, margins, rich text, maskable. Is there a way that I can just add like a thing on the back? I wonder. It's got to be a way, right? Component. UI. Mask? No. Rectangle? Is there just a way that I can add a rectangle? It has to be. Mask? Mask. Oh, there isn't. Remove. Okay. Auto size? No. Oh, maybe I just do a drop shadow or an outline. Is that obnoxious looking? I don't think so. Spacing. Maybe I make this like 20 and I try and space it out a bit. That's actually not that bad looking. Let's see. Oh, that's not that bad. Maybe, I think I do need to make it slightly bigger. 25. Spacing, word. Oh, sorry, I made this 7. Wrapping overflow. Okay, so it can overflow, which is fine. Excellent. I think this is good enough. I do want to make the text a bit bolder. Maybe that's the strat. I do 0.6. There's like a weird, what is that weird like thing behind it? I can't really tell. Maybe it's the image. Can I hide the image? I'll delete it. No, it's still there. What if I make the text bigger? Will that scale? Description. If I make this like 40. Oh, maybe it's just the rendering. Not sure. Let's remove this margin. Right, assets. Okay. Well, we'll just leave it at 30. I think 30 will be a good size, actually. Okay, you know what? It's really obnoxious looking, but I actually kind of like it. To be honest. It stands out, and it's fine. You can read that over, like, white text, white background. You know what? I'm gonna stick with it. I think it's nice. Okay. Nice. How long have we been going? Oh, we're coming up to like 3 hours. In that case, I will probably just go another 15 minutes and then we'll probably call it. I won't jump into Splatoon. I like it, thanks. It's readable. I wanted to have the background behind it, but I don't know how to, like, I think I'd have to do a lot of like maths to try and work out how to make the background always fit to the text or something, because I don't want like the background to like overspill. But this is readable, so it's fine. I think when we start building like the rooms out and stuff, this will just be a good way to have an inspect mechanism, because I don't really know what kind of game we're making yet, but I do want to have that inspect mechanism, because it'll be like, okay, so the idea that I have in the back of my head is to make a horror game based around a streamer getting stalked, which is kind of a bit of a major topic, but I think it would make a really good premise. And it's going to be like PlayStation 1 style, so really low poly, puppet combo style. I just stopped playing. Oh, Splatoon. How was it? How did your games go? Look at my card rank, got to level 6. Oh, wait, is that the... what do you call it? The card game? I forgot what it's called. I haven't actually played it yet. I should give it a go. Let's see. I don't think I need this anymore. This is a really good tutorial, by the way. I'm gonna leave that so I can bookmark it for later. Yeah, hang on. Let me go back to Cube. So what I'm planning to do is just make a very basic like apartment, a one level apartment, and then we'll like throw in some rooms and stuff. And then we'll add... Wait, let me check how easy it is to add. So if I go to... I guess everything is right now in one place. For really bad. I mean, this is just a test. So if I do sphere, and then all I need to do, I should just be able to throw this object controller on, and I can say description. This is Go mix. Ooh. Smiley. And then I should be able to put in the canvas for the inspect controller. I need to set this to probable object and put it on the probable layer. And we should have an interactive object. Hey, look at that. Oh, I can walk on it. Oh, it's kind of in the ground. I just realized I also have no crouch, but we can figure that out. It's going to be so fun, like, making the actual room. I'm actually really looking forward to it. My own ball. I love it. We'll keep it in the game. We'll put it somewhere. In, like, just an obscure, untextured ball. Ugh. I love it. Oh, actually, I just realized that the crosshair is appearing even beyond the ray length. So wherever I'm looking, there's basically a line that goes out from the center to whatever I'm looking at. And when it hits the object, you can see that the cursor is appearing, but you can't interact with it because you have to be standing at least 5, it looks like 5 away from it. So we need to actually fix that, but I'll probably make a note to do that after next stream. Or next time we're doing this. Turf battle, right. I haven't actually seen what the gameplay is like for that. Oh, you know what? We have like 11 minutes left. I'll see if I can do that real quick. Should we do the way that the tutorial do it? Did it? Do it? I can speak English sometimes. Or should I do it the way that I was doing it? I don't really know. I feel like I should do it the way the tutorial was doing it because probably better. There's the panel. This is the crosshair. Then I had a crosshair script. Oh, you know what? I know. I have an idea. We call this ray length. Sorry, int ray length. And then I say equal to 5, and then we use ray length as the thing. So instead of infinity, we use ray length. And then what I should be able to do is go to the crosshair on the world. I wonder if I should move this to canvas. Yeah, we'll do that. The world has nothing on it. I'm going to delete the world. I just deleted the world. Crazy. Okay, so ray length is 5. So I wonder if I... Hey, look at that. Now it only appears when I can actually interact with it. So I can't click it here. I go forward very slowly. Yay, nice. All right, I'm gonna actually decrease it from 5 though, because that's quite far away. Let's make it like 2, I guess. I was gonna say 2.5, but that seems a bit. I think I'll just round it to 2. Ray length is 2. Actually, I wonder if I should connect that to... There's never going to be a case where they'll be different. Inspect controller. Sorry, I need the probable. Ray length. I wonder if I should... make this. I'm gonna keep them separate in case that becomes useful, but there we go. They should be in sync now, so I can't interact with it. When I get close to it, the thing appears. We could actually change the cursor, the crosshair to be like a hand or something. That might be cool. Like a mouse. Oh, like a oh yeah. Should we do that real quick? We have 9 minutes. Let's do that. Pointer, cursor, or cursor pointer. PNG. Because if it's like based around streaming, that could be like around PCs. That could be kind of fun. Pro tip: if you want to look for transparent images, use a transparent color, and you'll get images with a transparent background. Very helpful. Or is this too on the nose? I kind of like it, actually. Do we want something pixely or not? I think not pixely. Oh, actually pixely is kind of fun. Let's use this one. Save it. Unity. I'm gonna call it winter. And then I'm going to edit in Paint 3D. I'm just gonna delete. It's so cool that Paint 3D can actually handle transparency now. Can I make this square? I think I can. Use a 1400. By 1400. Oh, that actually cuts it off. Oh, it actually deletes it as it goes as well. That's not good. Let's use a 1480, I guess. There we go, it's square. Save. I should have this pointer now. Nice. Let's go to assets, UI, crosshair. I'm gonna call it pointer and just put it in, slap it in there. I'm gonna delete description box because I don't need it anymore. So if I go back to assets, UI, we have pointer. And I'm now going to make sure this is sprite. Can I say that this is transparent? Nice. And then let me go to canvas. Oh, sorry. Let me go to, yeah, canvas. God. 2D. And then we replace this, not description box, this crosshair with pointer. It's so cute looking. Oh my god, it's tiny. Wait. 100. Oh my god, maybe that's too big. No, yeah, that's too big. 20. It's still pretty small. 20, 30? Right, let's try that. I actually kind of like that. Is there like a thing around? Am I going crazy? Oh no, I think I'm just going crazy. What am I? It looks like there's a thing around it. Let me make it bigger and double check. Might be where I haven't. Oh, actually, I think it's fine. I should probably move it down a bit because it's technically. Yeah, I don't know. We'll leave it in the middle for now. That was 30. Okay, we're almost at time, so that's good. It's so, like, dainty looking. Looks great. I'd move it down a little. Yeah, I think so as well, because the the way it's pointing, like if I go to this corner, it's like the middle of the hand. So yeah, let's maybe move it down a bit. The center is right there, so actually I can just do this. Oh, what if we make it like on the point exactly? That would be probably so sick. Okay, make it 4. Hey, it's like it's a little off center, but I think that's the beauty of it, because it looks like I'm actually touching the object. Nice. Okay, in that case, what do we need to do next time? I think next week I want to try and look into importing assets from the Unity store, and then yeah, maybe make a basic room or something with free assets. Oh, and maybe the crouch. I should probably keep a list of this stuff. Let me just put a notes down here. This is what I did on the other one. Import assets from Unity store. Build basic apartment. So that would be good, like geometry practice, because we can like get the layout of a room and stuff, or like, yeah. Lighting would be good to practice. And maybe skinning basic model. Basic NPC model. Basic dialogue system. Yeah, I think that will be good things to practice. All right. Let's see. Probably going to who's live. Oh, Greg is live. I have not ever seen one of Greg's stream because I followed when we were off. Guy Meg, thank you so much for the sub. You totally didn't have to do that. I hugely appreciate it. That's super kind of you. Thank you so much. I have no words. Yeah. I'm glad that I managed to find you in the observation category the other night. You gave me a ball. I mean, I guess now I have to keep it. We should just plaster your face all over it. That would actually be a really good texturing practice. So actually, I'm gonna make a note of that. There we go. I'll find a picture of you somewhere, I'm sure. And we'll do that. Oh, you know what? Oh, okay, yeah. That would actually be really funny. We have to put that with this. Getting the basic model. Because I want to basically make like a really low poly NPC and just like put a really high resolution texture on it. I think that would be hilarious. Alright, that's lovely. Okay. We will do that. Let me see. Okay, so now I'm gonna go say hello to Greg. He actually gave me his pipes up the other day. He's super nice as well. He doesn't normally stream, but yeah, this will be a good chance to say hello before I never see him stream again. Guymek, Thrak, Asahi, if you're still lurking, have a good rest of your Saturday. It's Saturday. I'm not going to be streaming tomorrow, but yeah, I'll probably be back on Tuesday, I think. Tuesday or... yeah, Tuesday. But yeah, if I don't talk to you before then, I mean I will, because I'll probably see you in all of your streams. Then yeah, have a good rest of your weekend. Have a great day to you as well. And if you have a minute or two, go and say hello to Greg. I'm sure he'd appreciate it. He hasn't streamed for a while. But if not, then yes, I'll catch you next time. See you. Bye.